Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So let's talk about a major cyber crisis. A single attack on Jaguar Land Rover cost this much. Experts called it a Category 3 attack. That means huge damage to the entire national economy. This digital siege completely shut down their factories, with massive ripple effects on the supply chain. So how did this even happen? Not with some new fancy exploit, just a failure of security basics. Believe it or not, passwords from 4 years prior still worked. They were basically a master key. And this shows the huge flaw in traditional security. It's like a castle. Everyone inside is trusted. Once those attackers were in, they could move freely. That's the core failure of this trust model. This whole disaster proves we need a new blueprint, one that's actually built for resilience, zero trust. So what is zero trust? It's a security model that assumes a breach is basically a sure thing. The core idea is super simple but powerful. Never trust, always verify, every single time. You assume attackers are already in, you verify everything, and you only give minimum necessary access. With zero trust, that stolen password, it would have been useless at the next locked door. Attack stopped. So the goal isn't being impenetrable, because that's impossible. It's about being resilient when you are breached. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.